What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. What is the one thing that leads to more success in making money online than anything else? If you answered having your own products, then you'd be 100% correct. Nothing is more important than having stuff you can sell or give away. Even if all you're going to do with this stuff is use it as affiliate bonuses, that will already put you light years ahead of everyone else. And I'm going to tell you how to get the biggest library I've ever seen in just a minute. It's all coming up in my review of PLR Monster. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammond. I'm known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Last week's New York bagels. New York bagels are great when they're fresh, but not so great when they're old. Anyway, seriously though, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of
what a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
crap. Bart, really? Do you know how annoying that guy is? All the time. Yakety, yakety, yakety. Bart, go back to Springfield. Stop bothering me in New York. Seriously though, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here is that if I like a project, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. Liz says the same thing every day also, but who can get angry at her? She's such a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. The sales page for the PLR Monster from my friend, Dave Nicholson. Now, Dave is one of the best known people in this industry. He really makes a ton of money doing the online marketing thing. And one of the secrets of his success is that he has a massive, massive library of content that he can actually use to give away. So it really does make a difference. You can see some of the numbers here that he's done. Obviously, I don't expect that you're going to be doing these kind of numbers, at least not right away. You will see it, of course, if you stick with it, but it takes time to build up. It doesn't happen instantly. But you will be able to see numbers pretty quickly. You definitely should, if you start using the materials that I'm going to give you, you should start to be able to make enough money to buy some extra Christmas presents and to really start having a good holiday year, even though everything is topsy-turvy this year. Now, I want to show you a little bit about what's included in this thing. It would take a long time for me to scroll through everything. Okay, it's a ridiculously long page. I do want to show this to you in just a minute. First, I want to tell you about my custom bonus, because my custom bonus is always the best custom bonus you're ever going to see for this product. So what I'm giving you when you pick this thing up from me, you're getting my own massive library of PLR content. So what are you getting? You're getting 90 ebooks about business and money, 60 niche ebooks, 60 self-help ebooks, 30 health and wellness ebooks, a set of motivational posters, 16,000 articles that you can repurpose, plus a graphics collection, plus another 5 ebooks on making money online thrown in just for good measure. All those things are going to be included for you. You're going to get them all for the set as my bonus. But if you pick up any upgrade, and there are a few upgrades, they're nice upgrades. You don't have to get them. I'll give you a brief overview of what the upgrades are here. Let me just pull it up real quick so I can tell you. 1 second, I gotta find it here first. Here we go. Okay, so the upgrades are as follows. The first one is going to be a $9.95 per month or $67 one time. Basically, that gives you access to a library. Okay, the second one is going to be, one second, upgraded access to their graphics package. You already get some graphics from me. You're going to get more. You pick up the upgrade, that's $20. And then the final upgrade is a bit pricey. It's $4.97, but you're going to get a total of 10 membership sites. These are like basically what you can do is you can attract people, and people pay monthly to be a member of these sites. So if you pick up any upgrade at all, then I'm going to give you access to my own White Collar PLR. Okay, that's a set of graphics, ready-made video courses that you can actually repurpose and sell for your own purposes. Okay, pick up any 2 upgrades. I'm going to give you access to the OTO1, the first upgrade for White Collar PLR. If you already have White Collar PLR, I know some of you have it. If you already have White Collar PLR and or the upgrade, you have the option of getting the income formula, which is another course of mine where I have done for you review videos that you can actually just upload and start using. And again, for the second upgrade option, you're going to get access to OTO1 of that. Okay, if you pick up the full package, the $4.97 package, which I get it, it's expensive, but it's really, really worth it. Then what I'm going to give you access to is going to be you're going to get basically the right to give away, without the coaching part, you're going to get the right to give away my own 6-figure coach membership site. Basically, this includes a massive package of content. Basically, there's going to be, I think it's about 30 or 40 courses that I have in there, plus my own live recordings that I did with my students that you're going to have access to. So it's a massive, massive package. And there's also some graphics materials and stuff in there. It's a huge, huge package. So pick up this membership site, and instead of 10 membership sites, you're going to get 11 membership sites. Okay, but even if you just pick up the basic product, the front-end product, you're already going to get access to the massive package that I've already been telling you about. So let me just show you some of these things. You can see there's 99 packages here. Each one is a self-contained package. Each one was designed at a very high cost. 7 ways to success while you sleep. 10 ways to create the perfect online video. 51 social media marketing methods. I could go on and on. You know, it's a huge, huge number of packages here. And you can see this sales page just keeps going and going and going, because it's literally showing you every single item that is in the package. It is on a very special price. I don't know if this coupon code here, Google, will actually expire when you watch this video or not. I would imagine probably not. It's possible, but I don't think so. But if you see the coupon code listed here when you visit, then obviously go ahead and use that, get a bit more of a discount off. But the whole kit and caboodle is $99, which when you get this big of a library that you can actually repurpose, it's not just private rights. See, most PLR that you purchase, that people give away to you, you don't get full PLR rights to it. You get this stuff, you actually have the right to give it away. Okay, for example, with White Collar PLR, I give it to you, but the only thing you can use it for is to create your own personal content. You're not allowed to give it away to somebody else. Okay, in this case, you're allowed to actually use these things as something you can give away on your own. You get full PLR rights with it. Okay, so that's the big thing that is included when you pick this package up. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give it to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, you rock. I really do love this package. The one thing that I'm pretty advanced, so I don't really buy a whole lot of courses anymore. A lot of them, they just give me free access in order to get me to promote them. And even then, I promote maybe a quarter of the ones that people ask me to look at, because when I take a look, I sometimes see stuff that is junk, and I say, no, 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 no. But the one thing I will actually still buy is PLR content, because PLR is always worth it to me. It's always worth it to me to expand my personal library. And so I will always keep buying more and more PLR. No matter how much I get, I can always use more. And I currently have probably over 100 different items that I can give away. I'm always happy to buy more. And so really this one is well worth grabbing, because this one is going to set you up and get you really to start out making real money online.